We want to continue saluting the Temptations. Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl has found another and gone to stay with her when my future, my life is filled with gloom. And day after day I stay locked up in my room. To the world outside the pain I refuse to explain. I just wish it would rain. Oh yeah, yeah. Call so badly I wanna go outside. Everyone knows that a man ain't supposed to cry, but listen, raindrops will hide my teardrops. No one will ever know that I'm crying when I go outside. To the world outside my tears I refuse to explain. I just wish it would rain. Let it rain, rain, let it rain. Oh baby, yeah. Oh, let it rain. Yeah, baby. I'm a lonely man and I don't want to cry, but let the tears flow and dry my eyes. Let it rain. One more thing. Day in, day out, my tear-stained face is pressed against the window pane. My eyes search the sky, desperately looking for rain. You know why? The raindrops will hide my teardrops. No one will ever know that I'm crying when I go outside. Let me tell you, to the world outside my tears I refuse to explain. I wanna rain, 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 rain. Oh, let it rain. Please let it rain. Come on now, pray for rain. Let the rain come down, I won't have to frown. Let it rain. Please let it rain. I'm a man that ain't supposed to cry. Let it rain. The Temptations, let it rain. There's always a message in the music. And don't you forget.